Good morning, folks. Just want to make a quick video here about COVID-19 and how you can protect yourself a little bit from COVID-19 particles. When you come out of a store, when you come out of a church or anywhere where there have been other people and you've been in contact with other people, even though you've maintained social distances, you could have walked through a cloud of air where there's COVID-19 particles in it. So what you need to do once you've cleared the store and got out away from it, or the church or wherever, or school or whatever it might be, it's a good idea to clear your air passages really well so that you expel any COVID-19 particles that you may have inhaled. And a good way to do this is to forcefully clear your nasal air passages and also your air passages in your mouth and throat. And the way you do that is you hold one nostril shut and then you forcefully expel air out of the other nostril several times, as so. And then you do it with the other nostril. And then after you've done that, you clear your passages in your throat and your mouth. And what that does is it forcefully expels any COVID-19 particles that might be in those air passages. What happens is the COVID-19 particles or flu or cold or whatever type virus it might be, you inhale those and they grab on to the surface of your nasal passages or somewhere in your mouth or throat, and they hold on. But if you, by forcefully blowing your nose and exhaling out of your mouth, blowing the air out of your mouth forcefully, a lot of those particles can be discharged into the air and you get rid of them. Now, COVID-19, the flu, the common cold, and poisons that you might somehow get have certain things in common. Number one or two COVID-19 particles might not hurt you. I mean, what happens? You breathe in these particles and they reproduce. So if you breathe in just a couple or one, the reproduction is a lot slower and your immune system can react to it better. But if you breathe in a whole bunch of them, if you get a large dosage, then they can really multiply quickly and overwhelm your immune system. It's just like poison. If you accidentally get a little bit of poison, it's probably not going to bother you, and you might not even get sick from it. But if you get a large dose of poison, it can be fatal and kill you. So that's a tip on clearing your air passages, and hopefully that'll keep you a little bit better protected from COVID-19. You should wear your mask, and you should also practice social distancing and watch what you touch, wash your hands and your face often, and practice good hygiene, and that'll help you a lot too. Now, the reason why I'm providing you this tip is because several months ago, I heard a report from people who actually do COVID-19 testing, and they said that young children under the age of 3, and really young children, and probably even 4 and 5, have as many as 3 to 5 times the amount of COVID-19 particles in their airways as adults do. And the one reason for that is young children have not yet learned how to clear those air passages, how to blow their nose. And that's something that you need to teach your young children, is how to clear their air passages and blow their nose. It'll keep them from getting a lot of flu and cold and viruses and stuff. So try to teach them that as early as you can. And once again, forcefully clear those air passages once you come out of church or once you come out of a store or once you've been talking to someone for an extended period of time and have been in fair close proximity to them, even if you're both wearing masks, because some of the air is seeped out around their mask and could contain a lot of COVID-19 particles in the air. And you in close proximity to them, even if you're wearing a mask, you can breathe in some of those through the edges of your mask. So clearing your air passages forcefully, your nose and your mouth, throat, is really a good, helpful tip in helping you to prevent you from getting COVID-19, the flu, the common cold, whatever. This is in addition to social distancing, washing your hands and face often, and practicing a good hygiene. So I hope these tips help you folks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please comment. I posted a lot of videos on YouTube also, so I'm going to put this one on Facebook. Hopefully post it on YouTube also. So thanks a lot, and you folks have a nice day.